In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Alibaba Trade Assurance. Let's get started and ensure a smooth and secure transaction process. First, you need to click on Start Order. This is the initial step that kicks off your purchasing process. It's like opening the door to your shopping cart on Alibaba. Once you do this, it sets the stage for everything that follows. Remember, this is where you begin your journey to a secure transaction. Now, enter the product quantity. Think carefully about how many units you need. Whether you're buying a few items or placing a large order, accuracy here is crucial. It ensures that the seller can meet your expectations and deliver the right amount. Double-check this number to prevent any surprises later on. Getting the quantity right here saves time and prevents potential issues. With the quantity set, it's time to enter the specifications. This step is all about details. Be precise about what you want. Include color, size, materials, and any other specific requirements you might have. This information guides the supplier in delivering exactly what you need. Clear specifications prevents misunderstandings and ensure satisfaction. So, take a moment to fill this section with care. After that, enter the shipping details. This is where you specify where you want your order to be delivered. Make sure to include the correct address and choose the shipping method that best suits your needs. Consider factors like delivery time and cost. Accurate shipping information is vital to avoid any delays or additional charges. Remember, clear shipping details pave the way for a smooth delivery experience. Next up, review the order carefully. This is your chance to go over every detail you've entered so far. Look at the product quantity, specifications, and shipping information one more time. This step is crucial because it ensures everything is just as you want it. Catching any mistakes now can save you from complications later. Think of it as your final quality check before moving forward. It's always a good idea to review everything thoroughly. With everything in place, confirm the order. By doing this, you officially place the order and engage the Alibaba Trade Assurance protection. This protection is based on the terms you've detailed in the order. It acts as a safeguard, ensuring that the transaction goes smoothly. If something doesn't match, the protection can help resolve issues. Confirming the order is not just a formality, it's a key step that activates the protection you need. Finally, know that each of these steps is essential to ensure a safe transaction. Alibaba Trade Assurance is there to protect you, but it relies on the details you provide. Taking the time to enter accurate information will make your buying experience more secure and satisfying. Thank you for joining me today to learn about using Alibaba Trade Assurance. With these steps, you're now ready to make secure purchases with confidence. Remember, clarity and accuracy are your best allies in this process. Happy shopping, and until next time, take care and stay safe.